Welcome back to my kitchen. I'm Chef Jerry. Today, let's relax and cook a slow aromatic chicken biryani.
Fresh chicken, thick curd, smooth and creamy. Biryani masala with lemon, coriander, mix slowly, let flavor spring.
And ready. Into boiling water. Whole spices release their aroma. Cook till and a little ghee. Listen that sound. Golden onions slowly caramelizing. Seal the pot. Low flame, slow cooking. Now we wait. Let the biryani whisper. If this relaxed you, like, share and subscribe. Good food, good mood. Chef Jerry signing off.
Hello cuties, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.